all be under the same square root. It needs a new square root now. Now, see if we're all under this line still. It's like this whole thing is a square root. Eight. So then it would be here times second square root of 130 plus 1 over 32, and then another big parenthesis. Alright, who else is struggling with it? Can't get it out of it? Yeah, you can't be under one big square root. You gotta do a second square root for that second part. So it'd be times 1/30th plus 1/32nd. And then all right. So we got 0.52 minus 0.55 divided by 29 times 0.05 squared, yes, plus 31 times 0.07 squared, only the parenthesis there then to end that. Divided by 60, should work out. Nope. Miss. One, two. Three, four. Hmm. 29. Oh, that's why. We don't need, so the parenthesis doesn't need to be under here. It needs to be out in front. There. Okay, how about you? I got it. Cool. All right, so all that to show that it lands over here, and that means that we do what? Reject the null, accept the claim. I'm not even going to write a sentence. I'm just going to write reject, null, accept claim. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you how to do this in your calculator, which is more likely what you'll be doing on the AP test. So we're going to try this problem with the calculator. So go to Stat, Tests. This is a 2-sample t-test because the variances are not known, or the population variances aren't known. We're going to hit stats because we're just putting in numbers here. 0.52, 0.05, 30. Did you already do this, Noah?
Yep.
0.55, 0.07, and 32. Then again, you highlight the one that is the alternative. So in this case, the less than. Now, it says, is it pooled, yes or no? So if the variances are equal, you would hit yes. If the variances are not equal, you would hit no. So if we hit yes in this, and then hit draw, see, I got t equals negative 1.93, which is what we got when we did that horrible formula. The only reason I have extra lines in there is because I have something in my y equals that I was graphing earlier. Now, if you were doing the problem from example 1, you would have just chosen not pooled. Okay? All right, so how about is 3 problems reasonable for your homework? I feel?
We have to do one by hand now.
Sure, but I'll let you pick which one you want. So don't pick a pooled problem. Let's do 13, 14, and 19. So this is page 432. Numbers, what did I just say, 13, 14, 19? I strongly recommend, because unless you enjoy pain, I would suggest you do 19 in your calculator. If you look at 19 in your book, 19 not only is data, but also the variances are equal. So if you did this by hand, you would actually have to figure out the variance of both of those by hand, or put them in a list in your calculator and get it that way, and then also do that horrible gross formula. So on this one, just put this one into Y1, look up, this one into Y1, this one into Y2, choose data, and then it'll grab all that information for you. Okay? The reason why I'm doing this is because I think an example like this is very likely to be what will be on that free response section. And you know what? I'm okay with you using your calculator for all of these today. I really don't think that they're going to make you do this by hand on the AP Calc test.